Here's how to upload a video to TikTok using Microsoft Edge on your PC or laptop. Open Microsoft Edge and go to TikTok.com. Log in with your TikTok account credentials if you are not already signed in. Once logged in, look at the left side of the TikTok homepage and click Upload. On the Upload page, click Select Video to open your file browser. Navigate to the folder containing your video, click on the file, and click Open. The upload will begin. Time depends on your file size and connection speed. Once the upload finishes, a preview will appear on the right side. Verify it shows the correct video before proceeding. Add your caption in the text field. Keep it concise and include relevant hashtags to help with discoverability. You can also tag other TikTok users if needed. When everything looks right, click Post. TikTok will publish the video to your profile. Visit your profile to confirm it has gone live. A tip: TikTok on desktop does not support all editing features that the mobile app has. If you want to add effects, sounds, or transitions, use the mobile app before uploading, then post the finished video from your PC. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.